I had fun playing with the new spring transfer called Lost Garden. It's a 12 by 16 book, and it's full of beautiful viney florals. So I didn't show you how I applied the transfers because I think a lot of people know how to do that by now. But I painted this cabinet door in the color sand. And now I am adding my beach elements. I cast these molds with amazing quick cast resin in the seashell mold, and I apply my molds with Titebond quick and thick glue. Here's a little tip. Once I apply them, I put a lot of pressure on it, and some of that glue might ooze out around the edges. So I just take a wet paintbrush, no paint on it, just water, and I go around the edges of my molds to remove any excess glue. I first painted these molds with a color called hazelnut and wiped some back, and now I'm embellishing them with a little more color. This first color I'm using on the seahorse is called Devotion, and then I'm going to use a mysterious green metallic, it's called, from Rethunk Junk by Laura Paints and Products. And I'm going to put a little bit of it also on the starfish just to let them pop off of the surface of the cabinet door just a little bit more than they already do. Up at the top, I've got a little scallop shell and a conch shell, and I am enhancing that with some rose gold metallic. Once that's all dry, I'm going to seal it with a semi-gloss polyacrylic sealer, also by Rethunk Junk. And I'm going to add some hooks in my beautiful